Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Pionex grid trading bot. This powerful tool automates buying low and selling high within a specified price range, aiming to profit from market fluctuations. To begin, you'll need to fund your Pionex account. A minimum investment of approximately $100 is generally required to start a grid bot, ensuring you have enough capital for its operations. Once your account is funded, the next step is to create your bot. On the Pionex platform, locate and click on the Trade section. From there, you will see various bot options. Select Grid Trading Bot. After choosing this, you'll click Create and then pick the specific cryptocurrency trading pair you wish your bot to manage, such as BTC versus USD. Now, it's time to define your grid's parameters. You'll set the upper and lower price limits, which dictate the range where your bot will operate. Next, decide on the number of grids. A common range is between 20 and 100 grids, influencing how frequently trades occur. Finally, input the total investment amount you want to allocate to this specific bot. Before launching, take a moment to carefully review all your chosen grid settings to ensure they align with your strategy. Once you are satisfied, click the Create button to activate your grid bot. After activation, it's crucial to monitor its performance regularly. Market conditions change, so be prepared to adjust your parameters or even stop the bot if needed to optimize your returns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.